call me shorty and everything. What the fuck was that about? Yo, I just want my iced coffee. Too much money spent. I need more people spending money on me ASAP. You guys, it is literally National Me Day. Wait, let me get my light back out. Oh, excuse me. It's National Me Day, you guys. Oh my god. I'm literally 22 today on May 29th, 2002. A real one was born, basically. And today I'm literally 22 years old. Wow. 22 has a ring to it that I really like. 22, first of all. So I love that. Love angel numbers. We're gonna be celebrating my birthday together because I'm basically spending it alone. Aww. Kinda, JK. I just kind of want to do my own solo thing in the beginning of today, and then later on today I'll be celebrating with friends and family. But before I spend time with them, I want to make sure I go get all my favorite things, go get my birthday freebies, and just do other things that I want to do. Enjoying my day as my day. We have a lot to do. I need to go ahead and get it rolling. But yeah, I'm just super excited. So let's go and get dressed. I'm not even gonna get dressed with you guys on camera. I'm just go ahead, get dressed, and then get in the car. I think, right? Is that what I should do? I don't freaking know. I'm kind of just winging it today, but yeah. Let's go. This is what I'm wearing. This is the viral Skims dress.
Can I hear a little commotion for the drips? A little bit?
This is what I'm wearing today. I am on a time crunch. I have to make sure I do everything on time. So let's go ahead and go. Wow, I am sexy as fuck. Wow. Well, first of all, I have some coupons for Dunkin, so I would like to go there first to get me a drink so that I have enough energy for everything that I have to do today. That's all I want for now. Seatbelt always. Oh my god! Look, you guys, it's a geese and its baby. Oh, that is the cutest thing ever. I love spring. Spring is literally the best season because you see that. That is so, wow. Okay, let's go. Oh, that is so cute. I can't get over that. But it is hot as frick, you guys. It is 80-something degrees. It's hot as hell, boy. First of all, I'm getting Dunkin because I need a lot of energy. Then I am going to the movies by myself to see a scary movie. So not only am I going to the movies to go watch a movie by myself again, but this time it's gonna be a scary movie. That's gonna be spooky as fuck. It's gonna be the new Strangers movie with a redhead girl from Riverdale. I wanna go see that. And then after that, I wanna go to ULTA and SEPHORA to go get my self-care, makeup, skincare freebies, whatever they have to offer. Freaking go. I wanna go get me a Dollarita today because as you guys know, Applebee's has $1 margarita for the whole month of May. So I need to make sure I get one, especially for my birthday. Then yeah, just do some shopping, do some things, but you guys will see if you stick around.
Sugar and almond milk?
Mm-hmm, yep.
Okay, see you at the window.
Alrighty. Let me take this off my window.
For some context to why that paper was even in my dashboard, in my window, I rolled some, I was gardening, right? Rolled up some, and I typically don't even roll. So what I rolled was special to me. You know, I had enjoyed it. I put it in my little area in my car. I went on about my day, and I guess I accidentally didn't lock my car. So when I came back, I noticed that my car door was left open like a little bit. So I'm like, what the heck? Like, what's that about? Open my car and I see that the armrest and my glove box just open, left in a disarray. And I see that the only thing that was stolen was my precious little rolled up, you know, and my lighter. Those are the only two things taken out when I had my $100 plus tennis racket, my bass guitar, and my Adidas Sambas in my backseat. And that was taken. So I was pissed. So I made a paper that said, "Stay the out of my car," and I kept it there. And I think it was like some high schoolers that took it because I swear to God, I was sitting in my car. I got off of work. I just got out of school. I had the paper up, and I'm like, I had a feeling like they knew specifically that I had it in my car and went to check. So I'm like, So I had rolled my window down, and they had walked past, and I swear to God, I could be delusional. I could be reaching. It was a girl and a boy. I heard the girl say,
"She just mad because we finessed her."
I swear to God, I heard that. I swear to God. If they not talking about me, then that's fine. But if they was talking about me, that's why I put that paper up. Out of my car.
Oh shoot. Oh, I dropped the coupon. Oh God. Don't vlog and drive, y'all. Girl, where did that shit just go? I got it. Fuck. Yeah. I have tap.
Oh, I'm gonna put it out there for you.
Okay. Did it go through? Thank you. No, thank you. Thank you.
Oh, you stay blessed, love.
He was definitely flirting with me. But anyways, I get it. I mean, I look this good. He was looking me in my eyes. Now I got these sunglasses on, so I guess he just wanted to see what I look like. But call me shorty and everything. What the fuck was that about? Yo, I just want my iced coffee. Okay, but let's lock in. We gotta go. We need to start speeding. Turn this AC up. Let's go. We driving. Let's go. Let me lock in and drive so I don't crash on my birthday. Okay, you guys, we finally made it to the movie theaters. They have Wacky Wednesday. Tickets are like $5 to watch a movie. So I'm going to go watch this scary movie by myself. I really don't have to watch it by myself, but I just want to try something new today. I just want to do something different. I'm freaking scared, honestly, but I wish I could bring my Dunkin in. I'm honestly scared, but the movie is only an hour and a half long, which is good. I just thought this would be something fun, something cute for the video. And they were literally just on the radio talking about people's birthdays. Literally before they said that, I was like, that would be so cool if they like did like a birthday song or like shouted out people's birthday. They literally did that. I don't ever hear that on any other day, but they did it today. So I'm like, something special about today. It's my birthday. Oh, and Tropical Smoothie is having free 12-ounce smoothie today, only today, from 2 p.m. to 7 p.m. What's going on? Today is really special. Of course, it's my birthday. But yeah, let's go get our tickets and go watch this movie. Okay, thank you. I'm fucking scared, bro. I'm fucking scared. Okay, just made it out of the movies. That was pretty good. It was spooky. It was a little hard to watch at first by myself, but I was just like, girl, relax. It's not real. I'm just such an empath that like I feel like I'm in the movie. But now let's go to Ulta. And I've just been saying thank you to all the happy birthday wishes, everybody being so sweet. But yeah, let's head to Ulta. Okay, so we just made it to Ulta. It says 2 points more on everything during the birthday month. Choice of free BDAY gift and then an extra $10 off. I already have an extra $10 off coupon, so I'm wondering if I can get like double. Let me make sure that I have that actually. It's hot as frick. I hope it's cool in there. Okay, yes, I already have my $10 off coupon. Perfect. Okay, let's go. Get this black opal concealer. I've been needing a concealer and I've been needing an eyebrow pencil. Both of these are around $10. I think that's all I want to get from here, and then maybe try to find something else at Sephora. So we just made it out of Ulta. I'm gonna show you guys what I got. So as you guys know, I bought an eyebrow pencil. I've been needing one, and then I bought a new concealer, which I've also been needing. So that's good. I got 2 things that I actually really needed. But for some reason, I had no clue that my $10 coupon expired. So I had to pay full price for both of these things. But they were both $10, so I only had to pay, like, catch this, $22.21. How cute and perfect was that? Then I also got acne patches, which I have been needing as well as my birthday gift. So that's very nice. Now I'm gonna go to the Sephora that's right around the corner. I feel like Sephora typically has better birthday gifts for their customers, so we're gonna go check that out. And then I'm actually getting really hungry, so I'm thinking I might take Tropical Smoothie up on their offer for a free smoothie today. Save my appetite later for actually eating. So let's go ahead to Sephora. I can't believe it's my birthday. It's literally my birthday. I'm literally 22 years old. Wow, that's crazy. Let's go. And I've been posting my birthday pictures on Instagram, and I've posted like the Skims dress try on haul on TikTok. This is a reminder for you guys to go check out my Instagram and then check out my TikTok as well. Yeah, I'm doing the content creator thing, you know what I'm saying? Really locking in. So yeah, that's my birthday gift from you to me. So yeah. I've always wanted to get this blush. This just came out. If I had the money, I would probably buy one of these. They just look so cute. I love a good powder blush. Got my birthday freebie. And I was able to get it without a purchase. I'm curious if I could have done that at Ulta too. But yeah, I didn't have to buy anything. They just gave this to me. So yay. Let's go inside Tropical Smoothie and get us our free smoothie. That was just perfect for my birthday because it is hot as frick, just perfectly aligned today. Let's go do that. Got our free smoothie. Let's crack her open. My allergies are acting up so I don't even know what flavor smoothie this is at all. It tastes like papaya pineapple or something. Oh wow, that's really good. I wish you guys could go back in time when this video is being filmed so that you guys could get you a free smoothie. What I got from Sephora, they gave me this Kosas kit with a wet lip oil and an air brow. But now there's a sweet treat from Target that I want to get. I'm just getting all these sweet treats. This isn't even the end of it because I want to go to Crumble and get my free birthday cookie from Crumble later today too. So what an extensive birthday, getting so many things, and we have only spent $28 today so far. Now I'm gonna go to Target and get this like mango mochi treat. If you guys watch Avaly on YouTube, she posted on her spam account these like mango mochi ice creams. And I am obsessed with mango right now. So let's go to Target, also one of my favorite places. Finished my smoothie already. That's definitely gonna hold me off for a little while until later. But just gonna stroll for a little while in Target. One of my favorite places. Why have I always wanted to try a black nail polish? Should I get it? It's only $2.99. I'm gonna just get it. And they have it on sale. Let's go before I break my own bank too much today. People better be sitting their funny later. That's all I know.
So in this moment, I called for assistance over because for some reason when I rung the nail polish up, it said $5.99 instead of $2.99. When I picked it up, the tag said $2.99.
Thank you.
If you guys don't know, if you can prove that the price of something is cheaper, Target will price match it for you. So that's a tip for the next time you shop at Target.
I really thought it was $2.99. I wouldn't have done it if I knew it was $5.99. Yeah, too much money spent today. Too much. Okay, let's go home. Too much money spent. I need more people spending money on me ASAP. Y'all just made it in and my mom just came in the house. So let's go see her. I know she's gonna be interesting. We'll see. Mommy? Hi. Oh, what is this? Oh, my God. Happy birthday, Nene! Oh, thank you guys. Oh, what's this? Let me open them. You know how I do. I'm holding her little hand to see her handle the things life brings her way. Having a daughter is all about enjoying her journey and hoping she'll find her way to right where she wants to be. What's that? Oh, thank you, Mommy.
It's your birthday. It's your birthday. I'm late.
You late? I'll give you a chance to stop and notice how much you're loved and appreciated. Aww, another one. Oh gosh. Okay. Aww, those are really good cards. I know. I was like, oh, these good. Perfect. Aww, cake. Now I got a shot glass. Oh, this is so cute. This is a beautiful cake. It's called a Gozart cake. Gozart cake? For the birthday. 2 shots for the birthday. Birthday shot. You recording? Yes. Okay. Birthday shot. Cheers. Happy birthday.
Do that.
Yeah. Ooh. Okay. Let's see those. Woo. Yeah.
That little dance off. That was cute.
Ooh, I see pink. raspberry. Go, Zar. I'm gonna need you to pay attention to the road. Okay, so that was really nice. Celebrating with my family a little bit. So now I'm about to go to KBBQ, my favorite place in all of the world. So let's get ready for that. But also I just want to kind of show you guys this Skims dress on me. I didn't really show you guys earlier because I was in a rush, but this dress is so comfortable, so flattering. I love it. So I'm gonna re-up my perfume first. So de Janeiro sent me some perfumes. They sent me this one, and this one to review. I've been like testing them out, seeing which ones I like. I went with this one earlier today, and now I'm gonna try this one. You know, I love smelling good. And then I'm gonna do my all-time favorite Replica Beach Walk. I love this perfume. Okay. And I think we're ready to go. I'm gonna try my mochi later today. And I forgot, at work, they gave me a $25 coupon. We had like a cute lunch for everyone at work, and I won the drawing contest, and they gifted me $25. Your girl's an artist. That's gonna come in handy. I'm gonna go ahead and bring it with me just in case I wanna use it. But yeah, let's go to the best place in the world, KBBQ. Let's go. And they're playing new jeans. That's and I'm shocked every time, huh? Made it back from Applebee's and the KBBQ. Got my Dollarita. It was all so good, so yummy. I had such an amazing birthday. Spending it doing all the things that I wanted to do, and then spending it with family afterwards. It was such a nice birthday. I did have a little bit of birthday anxiety. Today ended up being a really good day, and I'm happy that I was able to bring you guys along with me, spending this special day with me. And I'm just so grateful for all the things that I have, and grateful for the people that watch my videos and, you know, help me towards my career. But yeah, I'm gonna show a clip of me eating my mango mochi and getting my free crumble cookie later, because I am too full from KBBQ to eat any of that right now. Before I go, my birthday wish is to simply just be monetized on YouTube. That's gonna be my chapter 22 birthday wish. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I will see you guys in my next video. Cheers to chapter 22.